everyone, welcome back again to another Foxtecc video, and in this one we talk about how do I attach a Dropbox file to Outlook on the iPad. So first of all, I would recommend you to get the official Dropbox as well as Outlook app on your iPad, right? So if you do not have it, go ahead and open up the App Store and make sure you download it, and then also just open it up and make sure you are signed in with the proper accounts. But once you do have the Dropbox, what you need to do is to just get inside in there and locate the file that you want to attach to your Outlook email. Once you have the file ready, you can click on the three dots right next to it, and you can either save it directly to your device and then attach it to the Outlook email, but that's not really necessary, as all you need to do is just to click on share, and when you do so, what you're going to be able to do is to copy the link, right? So you can go ahead and click on modify the settings, and you can choose who has access. So let's say it's going to be anyone without the password, without expiration dates, and you can click on done, and you can just copy the link and paste it directly into the mail that you are sending to someone through Outlook. So this might be a good way to approach it. But besides that, as you can see right here, you also have the ability to export a file. So as I said, if it's an image, you can save it directly to your photos and then share it through email. Or if it's a different file, you can also just export it and save it as a copy first and then attach it. So I hope that I managed to help you with this. If you have some questions, go ahead and leave them below. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.